So how do you actually add more models and tell your bot which one to use? Well, there are two steps. First, add your API key safely, then add the rules. Remember what we said earlier, never paste API keys into a conversation with your bot? Instead, go to your hosting or dashboard, open Docker Manager, open your projects, then click Manage on your OpenClaw project, scroll to the bottom of the page, and then open the environment dropdown. This is your environment variables section. This is where your Anthropic API key lives or whatever other API you set up earlier. And you can add new API keys here by clicking plus environment, giving your key a name. For example, I'm going to add an OpenAI key now. So I'll type OpenAI _ API _ key. Then I'll grab my OpenAI key and paste it into the value field. Then click Save and Deploy. That will make it so that your project is redeployed and the container will restart with the new keys loaded in. When it's done, you'll get a green running indicator. Next, you'll want to confirm with your bot that you've added the API key and it knows that it's there. So in Telegram, we'll say, I've added an OpenAI API key. Can you see and use it? And this here is exactly why we want to check this as opposed to assuming everything is set up correctly. It says it can only see the Anthropic key that's running, and it asks where I added it. So I'll say, I added it in the environment variables in my Docker container. And it comes back saying that we'll likely need to restart the OpenClaw gateway for the new variable to get picked up by the running process. And it volunteers to restart the gateway. So let's just say yes, please restart.